So yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, good timing, I think. Yeah, Harry coming to close me a little bit, or I go into him. I don't know. Yeah, but everything's good. I'm stoked.
Will you please scream for Bruce Cork? That should not have worked. That is the first time he has ever done it at this kind of elevation. Yeah! Are you kidding me? Yeah, Bruce! Yes! Wow. That was amazing. Pat Bowden. One hand,
solid.
Indy, rock solid.
Yes!
Boom!
And executed. You could not execute that any better. That was amazing.
Travis, once again, look at this. One hand, Indy, rock solid, onto the double grab and pulls it down. And that, seriously, is as clean as any execution judge would like to see.
This is gnarly. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise in 3, 2, 1, double backflip!
Over the 120 to do a dead body, so much risk in that.
We've never seen Levi Sherwood do a double backflip, and I think he's going to need every moment of this right now.
He's coming to double backflip ramp. Here we go. Double back neck, double back neck under.
Wow.
He pulls it off. No way. Levi Sherwood, your champion for Nitro World Games.
I honestly can't comment. I've never really won anything 2 times in a row, so to come back, I knew this year would be a lot harder because every year everyone steps it up, but there was nothing I left on the table for this year.
He crashed it the first time, Harry Big, rock solid front flip. This time he's got it. Yes, he has done it. That is the biggest, hardest trick ever performed in the world of freestyle motocross.
One of the best things I've ever seen in my entire life. Harry, you are a champion.
Champion.